Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Hafizan bin Mohamad Sahril Bakri. My matrix number is CN210018. My supervisor is TS Alislina binti Bahari. And today I'm going to present about my project that is automatic pet feeder with IoT. This is the agenda of this slide. Chapter 1 is introduction. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, where our schedule is often leave us with a little time to ensure our beloved pet are well fed and cared for. The integration of Internet of Thinking or IoT technology has brought us about the remarkable innovation of automatic pet feeder with IoT. This smart device is designed to automate and enhance the feeding process for our furry companion, revolutionizing the way we interact with and care for our pet. With the advanced feature and connectivity, this device simplifies the life of the pet owner and strengthen the bonds between human and the furry friend. The automatic pet feeder with IoT offers a range of key features that make it an invaluable tool for pet owner. Next is this is my PSM1 Gantt chart. It shows the progress of my PSM1. And then the problem statement. In my problems, the first problem statement is the challenge arise when the pet owner go away for holiday or visiting friend or family. Next is pet owner face an issue in inability to feed the pet on time. And lastly, the pet owner require the special care and specific food diet. Objective. First is to develop a pet feeder system that allow pet owner to set specific feeding time for their pet. Next, to integrate the pet feeder system with the Internet of Thinking or IoT technology, and to create an automatic pet feeder that is easy to use and reliable, and which leverage advanced sensor technology and IoT. Next is a scope project. First scope project is create an automatic pet feeder. Next is using NodeMCU to operate the system. Third, using IoT integration to collect data. And lastly, using PIR sensor implementation to monitor the pet. Chapter 2 is a literature review. Introduction. The emergence of the Internet of Thinking or IoT has fundamentally changed the benefit of our life, and the field of the pet care is one that has profit immensely for this technology development. In today's fast-paced world, automatic pet feeder with IoT integration have developed as creative answer to the issue of pet feeding and monitoring, with a particular focus on their integration with IoT technologies. This literature review seeks to present an overview of the current research and advancement in this subject of automatic pet feeder. This is the table of comparison previous research one. The first one is on automatic feeder using IoT of thinking. Internet of Thinking. The software that they use is not MCU and Blink application. The hardware is ultrasonic sensor, DC motor, water pump, relay, and not MCU. The advantage of this project is designed to keep the view of dairy farm and maintain the diet of the animal just like human being from keep them healthy. The second previous research is IoT smart automatic pet feeder. They're using software node MCU, and Blink application. The hardware is PIR sensor, servo motor, visual LCD, and LED. The advantage of this project is they can detect the sense of our pet near the pet feeder and display directly to our smartphone, and using the servo motor to make it more efficient to open the valve. The third research is IoT-based pet feeder. We're using Arduino IDE and Blink application as a software, and the hardware is Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, CIM808, battery 12 volt, LED, servo motor, and converter. The advantage is it has the smart mode that user can define an energy effect of the food inside the tank and type of the cat. And control mode allow user to dispense food with two different methods, that is automatic and manual. The fourth one is a design of pet feeder using web server as Internet of Thinking application. The software is Arduino IDE and web server. The hardware is piezo buzzer, Arduino Uno, servo motor, LCD button, and ultrasonic sensor. The advantage is using a time pet feeder, and user can access service via HTTP or HTTPS protocol. And the last previous research is this smart pet care system using Internet of Thinking. The software is Arduino IDE and web server. The hardware is web camera, Arduino Uno, smartphone, pet feeder, ultrasonic sensor. The advantage is it can measure the amount of pet and check the time interval, and it can act on time with time set. Discussion of based on the comparison. The five IoT based pet feeder are available, each with unique feature and advantage. The first previous project is designed for dairy farm, ensuring optimal health for animal. Second, use and sensing mechanic to detect pet near the pet feeder, and providing real-time update on their smartphone. The third feature, smart mode for customizing food energy and cat type, with control mode for automatic and manual dispensing. The fourth use a time-based system for setting specific feeding interval, accessibility to HTTP or HTTPS protocol, and lastly, the fifth one, feature food measuring capability and choose of the most suitable feeder depend on individual need and preference. In conclusion, there IoT-based pet feeder often a wide range of advantage that cater to different need and requirement. They provide tailored design for specific environment, real-time monitoring capability, efficiency, food dispenser machine, customizable setting, and the ability to establish time-based feeding schedule. The choice of the most suitable pet feeder you ultimately depend on the individual preference, specific need of the pet, and lifestyle of the pet owner. By considering those factors, the pet owner can make an informed discussion and select the feeder the best. Chapter 3 is methodology. This chapter offers a tough explanation of the method used in this project, which was obtained by a review of the literature. The information will cover every aspect of the work produced for each stage. This chapter will also provide an overview of the flowchart, diagram, software, and hardware used, as well as the design, architecture, project benefit, and disadvantage compared to the previous project analyzed in the literature review. This is the 3D layout of my project. And this is the front view, side view, and top view for the project. This is my flowchart for this project. To start with, the owner can set the the program to be a manual or automatic based on their smartphone. If they choose manual, the owner can activate the pet uh pet feeder by using the smartphone. If they choose automatic, the pet owner can set the timer to the pet feeder. These are my block diagram for this project. The input is a power supply and PR sensor, and the power supply will activate the MCU, and the blink application used in this project uh, to control the pet feeder, and the output will be the servo motor to open to open the valve, and it will go to the food dispenser. This is the hardware that we use this, and this is the software that I use in this project. Is the circuit diagram, and then the chapter 4, expectation result. Expectation result. The automatic pet feeder IoT project aim to achieve the several expectation result. Include automatic feeding, manual feeding, current detection of the pet present, and notification. The PR sensor should reliably detect the pet, enable real-time notification and alert. The system should also provide reliable connectivity, efficient power management, and user-friendly interface for easy scheduling, monitoring, and triggering feeding. The Blink application should often and intuitive and easy to navigate interface. Allow owner to set up feeding schedule, monitor the pet's present, and manually trigger feeding. The goal is to prevent convince peace of mind and effective feed management for pet owner while meeting their well-being and nutritional needs. Chapter 5 is conclusion. PSM2 planning. The plan is to develop a software, and then to build a hardware development, and then to learn more about the function sensor working with the cat, and to collect the data analysis. And in conclusion, this project aims to develop an automatic pet feeding system with IoT integration, enable pet owner to set specific feeding time for their pet. The goal was to create an user-friendly and reliable system that combined advanced sensor technology with IoT capability. The system offers convenience and peace of mind, allow the pet owner to monitor and control their pet's feeding schedule remotely to a dedicated mobile application or web interface. The advanced sensor technology encourage portion control and food dispenser, prevent overfeeding or accidents spilled. Overall, this project successful achieved the objective simply pet feeding routine, provide remote access and control the ensuring pet well-being even when owner are away. That's all for me. It's my reference, and that's all for me. Thank you.